up? It's Kristen. Today I have a Jewlybox unboxing for you. If you're not familiar with Jewlybox, you can use my code Kristen to get 10% off your first box. I'll have the information down below. It is a jewelry subscription box, which is $19.99 a month, and you'll receive 3 pieces of jewelry. They do have another option that's earrings only, and that's $9.99. You get 1 pair of earrings every month. So if you like these kind of videos, please like and subscribe. It is much appreciated, and just keep on watching. Okay, so let's get into the box. You'll receive this really awesome bag. So when I open my mailbox and I see this, and I'm super excited to get their jewelry, you'll open it up and you'll get this bag. It's just super cute. You can keep all your pieces in it. And inside, you will get a card that tells you what you'll receive every month. And in this box, let's pull that out and see what we got. This is for the month of May. So here it is. They give you a description, the prices, and what you receive. And it says on the back, it says, May is centered around giving you those staple pieces you're sure to need in your jewelry wardrobe this summer. We've been studying up on all the trends and have curated you the ultimate collection this month with a fraction of what you'd pay retail. Get excited for what this has been said to be our best collection yet. So that's super cute. And then they give you a little bit about information from the CEO, Katie, which is super cute. She's adorable. And it says, hello, gorgeous. And it gives you information about the product. So here, I'm going to put that up on the screen and I'll take a picture of it. So let's get into the box. It's the bag. It's super cute. You could store your items in there. It has this really pretty tie. So you can just tie it up and go like this. You could travel with it. I love this. So let's pull out the items. And I have my card here, so I'll read the description of each item and I'm gonna wear everything for you guys. So let's go with the first item. This is a bracelet. Love these clasps. These are adorable. You can make them tighter, less tight, and this one is pretty. Look how adorable this is. I love this. There's a little touch of sparkle on there. So let's put this item on, this bracelet. And it's really super easy to tighten. You don't need anybody to help you at home. Like right now, I'm getting ready for work, so I have nobody here to help me. My kids are at school. So look how adorable. You can make this as tight as you want or as loose as you want. So this bracelet is so nice. Look at that. That is super pretty. So this bracelet is the Alley bracelet, adjustable and comfortable. This dainty piece is a showstopper. Hold her under the light to really see her sparkle. Comparable pieces retail between $49 and $59.99. So this is a $49 value to $59 value. That's beautiful. Okay, so let's get into the next item, which is a necklace, super pretty. And what I do is I store everything back in the little baggies that they give you so nothing gets tangled up. So this is a pretty necklace. It has adjustable in the back. You can make it as long or short as you want. And in this piece, you see it is a little coin, and it looks like it has a little, like, I guess half moon shape at the top. Super cute. Let's put this on. I'll probably wear this today because it goes with my outfit. Super easy to go on. So there it is. It's on. Very cute. Love this. Very pretty. It goes with my outfit. Okay, so this is the layer on you. This is the Bella necklace layer on up with this dainty on-trend piece. Similar styles retail between $30 and $39.99. So that is super cute. Here it is in the picture. Here is the bracelet. Love it. Okay, and next we have are the earrings. Let's pull these out. Let's put these on. Pull my mirror over here so I can see what I'm doing. Okay. Okay, there's one. Love it. And then the next one, let's put this on. Okay, so here they are. So pretty, so gorgeous. Look, absolutely love them. Look at how pretty this is. So cute. So, this goes very well today with my outfit, so I'd probably wear this to work. This is the Tina Hoops. Complete your look and go from day to night effortlessly with these everyday hoops. Similar styles retail from $20 to $24.99. So these are adorable. I'll definitely wear these today. Look how cute. Love it. So go over to their website. I'll have it linked down below. Use my code that I have offered for you guys down below. You get 10% off your first box. It is super cute. I love receiving these every month and it changes up my style. I always get compliments on these. Everybody asks me where I get my jewelry from. I tell them from Jewlybox, and it comes with 3 pieces. Everything's matched up, so you don't, if there's no like thinking about, oh, what earrings go with this necklace and bracelet. You just keep everything together like I do, and you just put it out and wear it on a daily basis. Doesn't tarnish, doesn't change. Super great quality. So if you like these kind of videos, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I love doing these unboxings for you guys. Click on my links below, and thank you guys for watching. Have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.